Hello, this is David Potler talking about how to use and get better usage out of the emails I sent you with list of inventory, which is commonly called the client links program. You'll receive an email from me saying with the name of the search, and then within that email will be a link, and if you click on that link, it will open up a web page which is yours permanently for you, and at the top it will say personalized real estate site for, and your name will be there, and then there will be the search that you was sent for. If you have multiple searches, if you click on my searches as I'm doing now, you will see that you can have many different types of searches, such as a particular community like Pinecrest, or a particular villa complex, condo complex as Villa Maris, or homes that are just in foreclosure, or homes that are just short sale, or homes that are normal sales. All the homes in the area put together. So it's up to you of what kind of search I can create for you. But back to the example we have set up for you today with Bluffton homes for sale for $200,000 to $250,000. The first thing I suggest you do is you watch the demo videos that tell you how to get all the benefits you can from the program. The video I'm giving you is just showing you some unique features that I have discovered that my buyer prospects have told me has been helpful. The first thing is to pull down this list and pull up list price. When the page refreshes, it will sort by default from the most expensive to the least expensive. I find it helpful to then do one more thing, which is to sort by list price and having the least expensive first, going to the most expensive. This way, as homes go up in value, you can determine whether they have value to you. So once you've done this, now you want to start sorting these properties, and this is one of the most helpful things this can do, and really helps when you keep receiving updates. The first thing you want to do, if you have a property you don't like this first one, all you have to do is go over to delete the property. A window will open, and that window will have the property address and have this question: are you sure you want to delete this property? Yes. And if you have any notes you want to put in, that's fine, but it's not necessary. Just click delete, and as the page refreshes, that property will disappear and no longer be on your list. So any properties that you're not interested in, you can just not have to look at them over and over. Next, we want to save this property. When you save properties, you have a choice of saving them as a favorite, or as a possibility, or just put notes. So if you save as a favorite and you put in some notes such as love this home and love the kitchen, or any other notes you want to put in, and then you save them. When you do that, you will notice as the page refurbishes that the property now has a header of my favorite. You'll also notice that the notes that we put in are also there. Also, you may notice that there is a category called My Favorites. This house will now be under that category, and when you come back on a regular basis, you don't have to sort through all these. The next step is to go over to the right, save this next property, and we're going to save it as a possibility, and we're going to say price on this home is $205,000. Check on price in 2 weeks, and we're going to save that. Now, as the page refurbishes, you can see that now the house has this possibility line, and it's a different color than the favorite. We go down to the next property, and we don't want to save it as a favorite or as a possibility, but we might want to put some notes on it and put something in there. So we can save this property as just notes only, and put something in like check on backyard size, and then save it. Now, if you had a question on that backyard size, you would go down to the property and you would view details, and you'd say request more information, and a window would open and the subject would be 3 Pine Ridge Drive, and the message might be, how big is the backyard? And then you would send an email, and that email would go to me. And then you would go back to the page and look at the list. And this way you just constantly work your way down, saving, deleting, whatever you want to do. I hope this has been helpful in helping you understand all the uses of this system. Please call or email me with any questions.